Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So here in this video I'm going to show you how you can catch secret fish at the ancient ruin in Fish It Roblox. So if you want to catch the secret fish to finish the element quest, you can just follow my steps in here. So I got two kind of secret fish inside the ancient ruin, the Gladiator shark and also the Maja. So let me show you the location where I got the fish. The first one, I got it in here. This one, this is the first location in front of this roots right here. And the second one, I got it in here. So this is the second location in front of these rocks right here. And as for the road that I use, I'm using the ghost fin roads with the singularity bait. So just follow the steps that I show you and also the gear that I tell you to get the secret fish in the ancient ruin. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.